Why, hello there. I hope that you are well. That life is going well for you. Just gonna do some funky stuff. And that music is obnoxiously loud. Let me just turn it down again. Give me a second. Pretty please. I'm setting up some keys on my stream deck. Should go this in here. And we're just setting up the Spotify volume sets. This one here can be, I don't know, let's try 25 and see how that goes. It's not too bad. Let's go down to 50. Yeah, I think that's much better. I think that's a pretty good level for the stream as well. So let's keep it at that, and then let's skip to a song that's more appropriate, or at least is a bit more interesting. All right, so let's start by, I haven't actually checked. Let me just mute my screen for a second. Grab my, yep, that's fine. Close that. All right, so let me grab my click up. And let's go through what we are going to do tonight. Hidden space, demand co, tasks. Yes, nice. All right. Let me pull this up. Oh, wrong screen. Of course, it's the wrong screen. Here we go. All right. So, one of the things we were working on yesterday was getting a personal blog happening, and then thinking about possibly making a bit of super big self-hosted image set. I was going to try and do that, but the feeling I'm getting with this is like, so much to do, so little time. Yeah, and I haven't done reading about Remix or anything yet. So what we could do tonight, because I don't have too much time. Let's see. Yeah, why not? Let's set up the personal blog. It shouldn't take too long. Let's start by going to GitLab, and we'll set ourselves up a repository. We're following this step here. This step is in progress. Let me just fix up the screen number 2 size here. Just realized it's not as big as it could be. Let's fix that. Okay. I'm just going to fill it in from here. And that way I can put my code in straight away. Very nice. All right. Let's go to my group. View all groups. Oh, okay, so maybe my personal stuff isn't under a group. Interesting. Repositories? Projects. That's what they call it now. Projects. Stop touching my face, but I can't help it. It's because this hand does nothing. This hand's on the mouse. You can't even see that hand. Now let's readjust. Hello. That might work a bit better. All right, let's take a squiz. My projects, personal. Here we go. Lots of personal stuff going on. Oh my. I used to have a blog system. Yeah. Couldn't be bothered. Because it'll be from like an ancient version of Node. Let's have a quick squiz. Package JSON. Yeah, so it was built in CoffeeScript, I think, too. Maybe. Let's have a look. Compiler. Interesting. Lib compiler. Yep. Oh, man. That's old. Okie dokie. Alrighty, let's go back. Stop getting distracted. Just tender, yeah, that was an old thing. Coffee blog. Yes. I really should work on where is it? Interesting. I really should work on my old CPresent software. It was really cool. It was like a lyrics presentation system. Oh, I don't even have any nice photos of it, but yeah, it was pretty neat little thing. All right, just triple checking. I don't actually have a blog going. I don't. All right, let's create a new project. I'd love to, with OBS, zoom in at mouse pointer. Yeah, this thing would be awesome. Look at this. Yeah, I don't really want to use Python to do it. Anyway, I just like to not, because it'd probably do it on my screen here and then it won't do it in OBS, I would say. So anyway, all right, so we want to maybe create from a template. Let's see. Oh, Gatsby, nice. Hugo, cool. Jekyll, yeah. Gitbook, interesting. Netlify, wow, that's pretty neat. Now, I think if we look at our task list, I was taking a look at some remix stuff. Specifically, I wanted to take a look at, yeah, deployment with Cloudflare pages. So let's see if, I don't think there is a Cloudflare pages thing. That's okay. That's okay. We can just create a new project. Oh, wrong one. From blank. This will be called blog jtaiwan.dev. GitLab Me. Deployment target. Oh, great question. I have Cloud Run DigitalOcean app. Package or container. Other hosted service. Yeah, I'm happy to do it in public. Why not? I won't initialize. Happy for that to happen. All right. Let's grab myself a drink of water. And then we'll take a look at some Cloudflare remix stuff and go from there. Cloudflare remix. Chakra. Setting up a new project. Look how easy this is. All right, well, it must be time to open up our server. So let's grab our server out. I'm going to pull up my token because I never SSH without additional factors. This is so many projects here. We're going to create a new one. I'm just going to say mkdir-blog, and then that way we can open it up as a folder in the workspace. Blog. I forget what Bassgraph is. It's probably just working on. Yeah. One of the projects I want to build is a visual scripting for JavaScript, but that's a pipe dream at this point. Okay, let's take a look at our instructions. Let's put this to the side for a second and we'll open up this. We'll put away our terminal. Actually, no, we keep the terminal for now. All right, so let's go npx. Oh, actually, let's just check. We're going to use NodeEnv, and it's a really helpful tool for managing multiple versions of Node. We want to use the latest version of Node, so let's just quickly push D into NodeEnv, plugins build, git pull, and we'll just see, yep, there's a whole bunch of new ones. The latest one is 19. Wow. We're going to be using that because I think 18 is an LTS version. We can take a quick look and check. Node version LTS. So looking at this, 18 will enter LTS by the looks of this, which is fantastic. So that is handy. We want to use that version. So let's go NodeEnv install 18.9.1. Hello to my friendly lurker. I think you're on yep, you're on Twitch. Hello, friendly lurker. All right, now that we've done that, let's NodeEnv, and we will set the local version that we're using with NodeEnv to be 18.9.1, and we can confirm that that worked by going node v. Whoop, it didn't work. So that's probably because we're in the wrong folder. I don't want to have a .local, yeah, .node version. Let's remove that from there. Let's pop D, clear, and we're back to where we were. NodeEnv. Actually, no, we're not back to where we were. Let's exit from the terminal. I'm going to create a new terminal. Whoop. A new terminal in blog. This is where we all, whoop, NodeEnv local 18.9.1 and node v to the, oh, interesting. I'm kind of surprised it's not working. I'm going to give it one more go. There we go. Okay, we're using the right version now. Just had to have the environment variables update, I guess. So let's start. npx create remix at latest into the current folder. We do want to install that one. Thank you very much. So there's a lot of setup I've got to do on the stream. One of the things I've got to do is like set up the ability to like quickly move me to different sides. You know, if I want to get out of the way quickly, so I can just over here. That's difficult. Not difficult, but I'll honestly I just haven't done it yet. So it probably helps to get it done. This is incredibly slow though, surprisingly enough. While you wait, let's take a look at Chakra and Remix. Here we go. Nice, so we can follow these settings, this setup next. Get ourselves sorted. Very cool. This will be very handy. Alright, the project directory must be empty or to create a new project. Please clear the contents of the directory or choose a different path. Okay, so that's because our node version is in here. So let's just move node version out one for a second and let's rerun it. That should be fine. What type do you want to create? Just the basics. Pre-configured stack ready for production. What does this say? Which stack do you want? Okay, let's take a look. We might have to look for a custom stack here, just for funsies. Let's go. Remix, stack, super base. Bossa Nova. User management with clerk, interesting. Okay. I mean, I don't really want clerk. Chakra is great. Database is great. Yes, yes. Everything but user management with clerk is very handy. Interesting. Superfly. Wow, Fly, you keep coming up, buddy. Yeah, there's just too much going on here. Maybe I'm just going to do this myself. So based on that, let's take a look at our remix stacks again. We're going to go with... I think maybe the indie stack, to be honest. We can add Postgres and all that later. Yeah, I'm saying indie for now. Let's do it. TypeScript all the way. Yes, you can run npm install for me. And that's that. In the terminal drop-down menu, hey? Oh. How long ago was this built? Oh well. Excuse the yawn. It's taking its time. Might just take a quick pause and come back in a second. Alrighty, and we're back. So it's completed. It's all ready to run. So let's start installing some chakra stuff. Getting ready to go. Man, a lot of things. Fly was installed automatically anyway. That's interesting. We don't really want fly. Do we need fly? Just trying to remember what fly was again. Fly.io, yeah, deployment. I don't really want to do that right now. Thank you very much. I'm going to delete fly tumble. Delete. Let's have a look at our start. Sure. Yep, that's fine. This file is how fly starts the... Oh, this is hard to read. That's for the server. Prism migrations. Oh, okay, fair enough. I'm not sure if I care too much about it, but we'll leave it where it is. I want to get rid of this. Let's just close these down. Nice. Cool, that's installed. That's a great sign. Git pod. What's a git pod? Interesting. Git pod. A workspace gets configured through it. Cool. Oh yeah. Is this a priced thing? Yep. No, thank you. Happy to delete those. Bam. Easy as that. Cypress remix. Okay. I think we're looking pretty schmick right now. Cypress is here. Oh man, that's impressive. All right, let's get started with the provider setup. We'll create a context TSX in the app folder. All right, let's do this. Context.tsx, and let's copy this and then think through what we're seeing here. Copy, please. Paste. All right. Oh, okay. It's longer than one was hoping. Let's just drag that across. So we're going to import React, create context from React, server style context data. Cool. So we're creating a context for styling information. And that's all we need from that one. Cool. create emotion cache. What is emotion actually? What was that again? Emotion react. Let's have a quick squiz. Emotion react. Library design for writing CSS with JavaScript. Okay, that's all I need to know for that. Not a problem. So let's do this in the app folder as well. Let's create a, actually I'll save this. Let's create a new file. This will be pasted, save, and this was create emotion cache ts. In app, perfect. Alright, after creating the emotion cache, we need to modify the entry files for both the client and the server. We'll use the emotion cache function here. Alright, perfect. Let's go take a squeeze at entry.client. Okay, we got remix browser, start hydration, hydrate root. Cool. Cool. This looks a lot smaller. Let's check hydrate root, remix browser. Remix browser is here. Okay, great. So that's our hydrate root. Client cache provider. Okay, we can pull that in. Let's grab this interface. And let's add that in. Paste that for now. Let's have a look. We want to grab these two. Oh, grab a little bit more. Don't know if we need the cache. Yes, we'll need the cache provider. Cache provider can come from emoticon React. So we'll grab that one in here as well. We will probably need use state, I assume. Perfect. Alright, now the client cache provider gets put around the remix browser. So let's do that. Client cache provider, and we'd like to stick you inside it, please, React browser. Alright, that's that done. Let's look at the server now. Entry server. Okay. Fair bit going on here. Let's try and find a common endpoint. I'm just going to get rid of our terminal. Alright. So callback name, export handle request. Let's see if we can find that. Do we have anything default? Handle request. Nice. Okay. So it is... returning a new response down the bottom. Wow, this is quite the funky chicken. Quite different. Is this the latest version? Yeah, good. Okay, there's our response headers. Let's see. Alright, well, let's add our cache into handle request. Handle request. Create the emotion case. Alright, callback name. I'm going to assume that we can create one at this level. If not, we will see. 2 chunks. Okay, that's probably helpful. No analog for this one. Okay, let's just do a quick check and see what version of the blog we're running. Remix run 173. All right. Handle request. Does it have the same request response as? Yeah. Okay. Cool. No worries. Then I'm looking for. There's the cache, HTML, chunks, markup. Okay. What have we got here? Rendered a pipeable stream. We grab the remix server. Remix server is here. Okay. Cool. That is interesting. Okay. Alright, so based on this, I think all we're going to do is, let's have a look at this HTML and markup, rendered a string. Where is this being provided? New response. Okay, let's have a look at new response. We get a promise. There's a response, which is a body pass through from stream. Where's chunks used here, hey? Okay. Chunks is defined here. Then we got markup. There's chunks styles. Interesting. Because I kind of want to conform to this template here, where possible, and understand how they've put this together. So callback name on already or on shell ready. Okay, cool. So initialize the, what does this function come from? Okay. Render to pipeable stream. That's the thing we need to understand. And chuck. Yeah, let's have a look at that. Okay, well, we don't have that function name in there. Emoticon is not fully compatible. Okay, cool. Let's see. Is this still open? Unanswered. Okay, so they've got two related threads. So this is August 17, but we're in, I don't know, 2 months down the track. I was kind of hoping there might be some movement on this. Okay, so man, just when you think you're getting somewhere and then it's like, oh no, we can't do this. React render to pipeable stream So this has been out for years at this point. Let's have a look. Render to pipeable stream emotion. Yeah, let's see what people are doing here. Chakra. Man, I swear. Man, this is frustrating. I gotta say, I'm a bit stumped. Alright, let's have a look. See if we can search Twitter for it. Check it over here just in case I leak something. Render. Render to pipeable stream emotion. You can imagine the tweets I'm seeing right now if you Google React 18 emotion. React and emotion. My oh my. I'm not really having any luck with this thought process. I'm not gonna lie. Here's what I'm seeing. Be nice if there's someone in the community that knew a little bit more about the render to pipeable stream and could tell what the actual issue was with Chakra UI. So I think we're going to have to use their instructions here, copy this entire thing, and we're going to have to not get the benefit of render to pipeable string. We have to use render to string instead. Is what it is. Moving on. Otherwise I'll spend too much time trying to build everything myself. Alright, so we've done that. Inside root access, we need to create a document wrapper, and then we'll wrap our app with the document. Alright, cool. Yeah, so this is some Chakra UI coolness, I guess. Root TSX. Here's our thing, mabub doobie what's it. It wants me to add some funky stuff. Let's just check. It's pulling in Tailwind and a meta function. That's pretty much the same. Links function. It's got some funky fonts in there. We might want to use that. Does it have the loader thing? No. Oh, let's just what I'm trying to do is make sure that I don't miss out. Like if I copy paste this in here, that I'm not like, I missed a feature because I've just done what they've asked me to do. Live reload. From what I can tell, I don't think I will be. But one must make sure. Okay, here's const document. Where is document being used? Okay. Okay, scroll restoration, scripts, and live reload. And they're putting that inside. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm happy with that. I don't think we're losing anything, so copy pasta and grab this fella, chuck it down the bottom, and I guess we need to look at the provider. Where is the provider? Provider. Did I miss a step here? No, I don't think I did. It's under context. I think we're okay. Let's take a squiz. So what we're looking for now is to see if this reset CSS chakra provider props. There it is. Okay, cool. All right. So let's go chakra provider props, reset CSS. Default is true, so we need to provide that. Okay, well, let's just save that. We've got something pretty much ready to go. Customizing your setup. Remix is server-side rendered. We'll store color mode in a cookie to tell our app. Root. We're in root. In the loader. Let's go to the loader. Oh, okay. Let's create a loader then. What's it complaining about here? Yep, gotta include it. Let's quick fix it. Nice. Cool. And we can just copy paste this stuff in there. Oh, yeah, boy. And so even though I'm not going to modify the theme straight off the bat, this will just do the job for me very quickly. Local storage manager, where are you coming from? Where can we import local storage manager? Where have you come from, you cheeky fella? Nice, easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's see. It's a const. Nice. All right. Yeah, actually, where did you come from, cookies? Oh, there it is. Use data loader. All right. All right, we'll just chuck it in here and see what we got. Figure out what it does later. Sweet. Okay, so with that in mind, we should be good to give this a quick test, right? npm run. And what have we got? Start. Okay, npm run start. Permission denied. Okay. Why would permission be denied to run remix serve? Tell me it doesn't use fly. Oh, please tell me it doesn't use fly. Is it something to do with this shell file? Bin sha. Okay, let's just check lsla. And is this shell file executable? It is. Bash. Try again. No. Okay, cool. No worries. Let's just do a quick Google, see what people say about it. No point wasting my time trying to figure out where it comes from. So I've broken the whole thing already. Lovely. All right, let's just quickly try. Let's use shell and npm run start. Same thing. What can one do here? Let's go to a remix. Remix, get started. Guide. Quick start. Run dev, okay. Yo! That could work. Okay, okay. Open in browser. Context. Use context. What's your problem here? Okay, okay. What file is it having trouble on? $94, this fella. Yep, that makes sense. It's a hook. Yo! Yo! It's going. Nice. Well, we got there. Somewhat. Health check. Oh, fancy. Okay, so let's read a little bit more while we're here because I really don't know what I'm doing. Remix guide. Discover. Oh no. That side is cheeky, man. Alright, so we do the thing. Your first route, app routes. Okay, cool. Expected. Let's see. Add a link to posts in app routes index. Okay, cool. All right, so app routes index. Okay, so that's our main file with all the crazy stuff in it. So I can just kill this off. And I'll create a new main class for now. And we can go back to our chakra UI thing in a minute, but that should mean that, nope, wrong port. That should be it. Remix app, hello. Nice, and yo. Didn't rebuild in the browser though, that's interesting. I was kind of expecting like an auto reload thing to happen, but that's okay. Add optional user, we'll figure out what that is later. Let's find a chakra UI blog thing. just to, yeah, chakra templates, nice. Browse templates. Is there a way of searching these? I guess not. Okay, here we go. Sidebar. Blog article list. What do we got? Yeah, it's okay. Could be better. Alright, we definitely need a nav bar. Let's grab some code. Oh, there's a lot there. What are we doing? So we've got links, nav link. Okay, that's fine. Export simple and on close and close. Yeah, okay, I get why they've done that. It's not that big. Let me add some more light to this room, actually. That's better. I can just copy this cheekily enough, and let's have a look in the app itself. I'm just going to get rid of this for now. Got this thing going on. Is there like a components folder? No. Well, I'm going to create one. And I'm going to give ones like navbar tsx. Paste that in there. Do we have any errors? Or we do. Alright. So we need to go back to our site. And we need to npm install @chakra -ui icons. Anything else we're missing? Nope. Alright. That'll probably force a refresh at some point. Let's have a look back at our website. Yeah, that's okay. Preview. Yes. Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. We don't need to use a drop down, so we can probably kill that with fire as well. Let's do that. Let's cool, that worked. That rebuilt, nice. Okay, links is open, so let's kill that entire thing. Main content here, I don't know what that's supposed to be, so I'm just going to let that be for now. We don't need the disclosure, so we don't need stack disclosure. Oops, did I kill something else? No, I didn't. Anything else we don't need? No. Okie dokie. Let's import our component now and see how we go. So under index, under routes. Wait, why is there an error? What have I missed here? Okay, these ones. Icon button is open. Okay, well, I'll add that stuff back in then. That's fine. We'll say that for now. We can worry about it later. Okay, this is a component. It should be named as such. It should be capital N nav bar. By the way, great podcast out there called The Nav Bar. It's got the guy who created Tailwind in it, which is pretty neat. What are we calling you? Export function simple. No, you should be navbar. Like that. That makes me happier. Alright. Let's go to our index now. Let's just pull this fella in and we'll see it probably break navbar component. I'll auto import you in. Okay. And then let's go to our page, refresh and see what we've got. Whoa, just like that. There it is. Terrible background. Let's take a look at the code. Let's grab. I'm going to assume that stuff is the stuff we want to copy. Yeah, stuff it. I don't want to do that right now. So there is this blog article list. I really don't like that. Like, I really don't like that. So I'm going to find something else. Chakra UI templates. Wow. Really don't need all of that. Okay, Chakra UI blog template. Okay, well this is a showcase of something other people have built. Let's try something else. No. I've been here before. I've been here before. Okay. Great site, but just not what I'm looking for. I guess I'm going to try and get some Chakra now. Chakra UI. And let's go take a look at their actual stuff. Put that over here, put this here, get rid of that. Docs. What do we want first? Maybe we should sketch this out, shouldn't we? This could be exciting. First use of a whiteboard on the stream. All right, give me a second, and I'll go get this. Go get my laptop. All right, give me 2 seconds, maybe 3. Damn camera. Whoa. Back in a second. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm very excited because I get to open up my lappy and do some drawing. And it's actually pretty important. Like, I use drawing as a big part of my workflow. Particularly, let me just turn this on. When I'm trying to explain stuff to other devs, being a senior dev, that's something you do a lot. Or even when you're just trying to get stuff sorted yourself, you know, the big whiteboard behind me, or using a, you know, pen on a bamboo Wacom or something like that is really handy. So let me just do a laptop NDI, make the source visible, and once this is all shindig working, just waiting for the laptop to start up. And I'm going to capture a Microsoft Whiteboard is what I'm using. It really isn't the best program by far. But it'll do. So just give me a second. I'll bring it up on the screen in a minute. Screen capture. We'll refresh our NDI sources. Okay. All right. So I'm going to create a new little screen for this. Just be like drawing. And I'm going to hide one of the screens. I'm going to make myself a bit bigger here. Or more appropriately. Nice, nice. All right. So with that in mind, let's see what this looks like when we do a transition. Oh yeah. Why hello, which you can't really see. And the reason you can't see that is because we're currently in light mode. Let's go into a dark mode. Oh, that looks much better. All right, so what we're trying to achieve is a new blog site. So let's draw our blog site. Some sort of title bar here across the top. I don't know if I really like that. I think I would prefer to have something down the side here. A little like, you know, this is me. Some information along here. And then blog articles. Oh, no, probably like latest. Oh, this is going to be terrible drawing unless I focus. Give me 2 seconds. Still terrible drawing, but less terrible. All right, latest posts. Maybe not even that, actually. Ooh, this is a hard one. I think we'll go categories, which would just be like tags. Have them here, and then we'll have like an archive, which will just be like, you know, archive from 22, 2023, etc. All right, I think that's pretty good. It's a good start. So now that we know that that's what we want to build for the side, let's think about what we want to build for the center. And I think this is really simple. I think it's just going to be, actually, let's close that. I'm getting distracted because the music sounds a lot like some of the music from Peaky Blinders. Okay, so we're going to go article, title. I'm going to have a date, time, thing, and then the contents. I think that's all we need to build this website. So now that's what we're going for. Let's enhance. Get rid of this bar for a second. Let's enhance this a little bit. Let's drag this down a bit. Yep. That's looking good. Really fill this up nice and big. And that we've done that, we can go back to our other thing and shrink it down. You know, put my camera there. Yeah, that looks all right. And let's go back to the main screen. So now you can see what we're doing. And I think I can even turn this laptop off for now. Yeah, and it'll keep the image up. No, it won't. Ah, cheeky. Can I pause the capture or something? I don't think I can. All right, well, let's just keep the laptop open over the side here for now. I will probably come back to it. Let's work on the main blog view. So we've got the nav bar here, that's fine. Let's work on the main blog view. So to do that, let's just put a temp article in here. And we're going to get that from import article as temp article from components article, and that should error out. Let's create a new file. Let's export export function article. Man, I really prefer export const, not gonna lie. Const article. And we will return a div for now that says, yo dude. And why is this erroring out? Cannot find name div. Oh, because we haven't saved it. Cool. You are going to be under components, and you will be article tsx. Nice. Okay, so let's just take a quick look. Localhost 3000. Main content here is there. Cool. Now, interestingly enough, it's like it wants you okay, maybe I just do this now. Oh, some bad stuff going on there. Let's go navbar. It wants the navbar's content to be like this, and I'm not a fan. Not gonna lie, I'm not a fan. And yes, I did actually mean to export article. Thank you. And this is where I can go as temp article, and that's where I can copy that fella across. I swear I know how to do this. Yep, I also swear that I know how to do code. Children element has no properties in common with type intrinsic attributes. Well, that shouldn't be our problem right now. Surely. Are you going to complain about that? Oh, you are. Character is not valid inside JSX element. Expected closing tag main to match opening tag navbar. Well, what's your problem here? I mean, I think that's some funky stuff that's going on. Okay. Yeah, I think that's working much better. All right, let's go take a look at navbar. Main content here. Yep, there it is. And we've provided children to it. It doesn't know what that is. All right, cool. This is the only box, so let's literally just say thank you box, appreciate you very much. Go away. That should get rid of main content here, and that allows us to not provide temp article to navbar, which itself really doesn't like anything like that. And Bob's your uncle. Yo dude is back. All right. Now let's build some stuff. Let's chuck this in a box. Padding of 4. That looked fine to me when I saw that in the other thing. Box again. Box has not been imported. Let's do that. I'm assuming I do it from layout. Why is this not reloading every time? That is frustrating. Right, okay, so apparently it could be because it's in app. Oh yeah. I don't know, man. This is really interesting. There are a lot of people having this problem. All right. Let's take a squeeze. Oh. Nothing there. I should worry about. I mean, it could be a port that's not coming through. That's interesting. I've not seen that port before. Let's check the terminal here. See if we've got... Oh, yeah. We've got some errors, man. Server socket error. Okay. Let's have a look at the network level. What's going on, guys? What's breaking here? Socket. Trying to connect to localhost 8002. But 8002 is not exported. What? Interesting. You want to work now? Oh, I think that worked. Let's give this a go. Alright, well, for some reason the wrong port was detected. There we go. Auto reload for the win. Alright, let's take a look at Chakra UI. Let's have a look at their docs. Heading. Nice. Perfect. That's exactly what we want. Let's block this out. Heading. Okay, import this automatically. Yo, this, so article title. And what are we going to do for, let's have a look at typography, text, man. Oh man, easy as that. All right, text, cool. And once again, having to manually import this. I swear I would just type these things and it was like, oh yeah, I'll grab that for you. Box heading text. Chakra URI Act. Oh. Fair enough. Chakra UI React. Okay. This is some blog text that we need to consider. Okay. Man, I mean, that's practically all I'm looking for. I mean, is there anything to do with like markdown here? Like markdown? No? Alright, chakra UI markdown. This music is very interesting. All right. So okay, cool. All right, so this is kind of like an official thing. Published 5 months ago. What's old man here? Same guy. 4 months ago. Nicola, and this one is Mustafa Turan. Okay, well, apart from stuffing up those names, I think we'll use this one for now. Let's get rid of the sidebar, open up our terminal, grab out this one, and let's just npmi it. npmi at Nick Olov Lazar, Chakra UI Pros. Perfect. All right, let's open up our root, which is where our theme is provided, I think. Chakra provider, yeah, that's where it is. I think I'll do it in here. Const theme equals extend theme. Nice, see, that's how it should work. And we'll go with pros, blah blah. No suggestions. Okay. Nah, I have to import it ourselves. Not a problem. Import with pros from at Nico Lavar Chakra Pros. That added that in. We'll provide the theme to Chakra. Theme equals theme. Perfect. All right, here's a page. Sick, man. This is going to be shimples. Okay, well, based on this, I'm thinking I need to render some couple bits of stuff together, which is fine. So let's go article. Let's grab a Markdown renderer. Let's do that. Cool. Cool. Now that we've done that, how do we use it? Documentation pages, thank you. Okay, cool. So let's go const. Man, wouldn't it be cool if we could use it like the GQL function? How does the GQL function work? GQL function. GQL Apollo. I'm just curious as to how it works. Actually, Apollo GQL and then GitHub. This is just me nerding out right now. Because under source, probably utilities, common. No, okay, well, I tried. Index. Okay, let's find from core and React. All right, well, we're probably doing it from React, so let's go into there. Let's go to the index. Okay, those aren't it. So it's probably going to be a core index GQL. GQL. Where are you, GQL? Find GQL. No. Alright, well, we can cheat. Another way, I can secretly open up something else. Over in a window that you can't see. Because this is work stuff that you aren't allowed to see. And I'll find it in here. There you go. Okay, it's in Apollo client. Yeah, what part of Apollo client? Right? Don't be a cheeky bastard. I don't know, this could be an error of judgment. Export GQL. Okay, that's from GraphQL tag. Nice. Okay. Alright. How does this work? How does it work? Teach me your ways. I'm so keen. GraphQL. Find GQL. Okay. It's a function. What? Alright, let's do something. Let's just try it. Let's create a function. And its job is to test things. And we're just going to ask for the args. Oh, that's fine. And then we'll console log him. What does it return? Past document. Yeah, okay, so I don't even need to know what that is. Yes, it implicitly has any type. I don't care. Thank you. All right, test things. Const. Test things. Hello. Oh, hold on. Test things equals. No. Hell. Test things like that. Right. And we want to know what the args are. Teach me your ways. Console. Array 1. Oh, no way. It's an array. I don't understand. Hi? I want to know what this magic is. Tagged temperate literals. Oh yeah. Ah yeah. Yes. Let's learn, guys. Let's learn. This is pumping. All right. So it says template literals are sometimes informally called template strings because they are most commonly in string interpolation. However, a tagged template literal may not result in a string, and it can be used with a custom tag function to perform whatever operations you want on different parts of the template. Oh, that's neat. Okay. The string text will become part of the template literal. Almost all characters allowed, literally, including line breaks and white space characters. Invalid escape sequences will cause a syntax error unless a tag function is used. Nice. An expression to be inserted into the current position whose value is converted to a string and passed to a tag function. Okay. Tag templates. Let's go all the way down. Tags allow you to pass template literals with a function. The first argument of the function contains an array of string values. The remaining arguments are related to the expressions. The tag function can then perform whatever operations on these arguments you wish and return the manipulated string. Ultimately, it returns something completely different. All right, so let's take a look. My tag, that person is a, oh, right. Interesting. So if one was to insert this here and say, me, Oive. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, now we've got two things going on. Nasu. And that's the second argument. Okay. Do things. What does this look like now? Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. So they're like tokens. Wow, that's impressive. Well, now I know how it works. I don't need to think about it anymore. I was just thinking like tagged template markdown. that's sick, man. All right, well, I mean, we could, but do I want to? Probably not. Let's go const article equals, and we'll just use a template literal because I can just be like, hello. This is some. Oh, actually, I can say the thing about being a thing is that being a thing is very much the sort of thing that might cause you to think about a thing in a different way than you might think of other similar things about the things. There are other things that can cause you to think about different things from the first thing you were thinking about. These are represented by many other thoughts. Just making up a bunch of crap here. The point of which is to run our markdown command. So we will import marked from marked. It says marked is declared but never used. That's fine. This is now where we would also import pros. My apologies, pros from Nicola. Yep, perfect. We will grab this. We will say, excuse me, Mr. Pros, dangerously set in HTML. Thank you very much. With the HTML equaling, and what's this one? It's marked, isn't it? Marked.parse. Marked parse our article. Oh yeah, probably did mean to use double underscore, right? Yeah, let's give it a go. Nice. And I think that's all we need for that. Let's save that. Oh yeah, look at this. Just like that. Wow. That's impressive. So now we have a way of defining an article title. So we might as well start adding some props. Interface article props. Get rid of that. And we're going to say we want to provide a title, string, and markdown, which will be a string body. We will take this article props, very nice. This will be a title and markdown. Put markdown here. Put title here. And we've built ourselves. Let's use some question marks and let's just set it some defaults. Unentitled. Untitled. Nice. And markdown can be equal to article. And lo and behold, our blog is coming along nicely. Let's add some text here. And this text will be our let's format it. Let's have a date, right? And we'll figure out this date here because we're going to use a const date equals, and we're going to format this fella in a second, probably using moment. And then I don't think we need author, so that might be fine. That could be fine. All right. Well, let's format this date using moment. Wow. When it's so important that you're making me the entire page. Good job. Dear. Luxon. All right. Is there a formatting? Here we go. Perfect. I love that. Perfect. Look at that. DT locale string. Nice. So let's install Luxon. npm install Luxon. All right, now that we've done that, we will go ahead and include Luxon at the top. Import Luxon. Sorry, it was not that. Date time is what I wanted. Date time from Luxon. And then in here we will say, let's add a new one. Date equals new date time. Or actually, let's say is a new date. Say date is of type date. Perfect. Nice. And then let's say formatted date. Copy here, paste there. Is going to be equal to. Let's have a look. How do we initialize parsing? Okay, cool. So let's go from here. Let's go date time from JS date, and then we'll say to locale string date time dot full something. I can't remember what it was. Date time full. Nice. Just copy that. And with that in mind, that should bring that up. Oh, yes. Let's go into here. We want to make it small. So let's just say font size. Font size, thank you very much, is SML. Or we could even go smaller. Extra small. XS. More. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. These spacings, though, are massive. Massive spacings. Yeah, let's modify this stuff. Cool. So let's get rid of this. Just want to close stuff down. Get back to a centered self. And let's open up the root, I think is what we were looking at. Very nice. With pros, thank you very much. Base style. Base style. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the wherever it's from, the repo, and this will give us like an idea of like what styles he's using. somewhere in here. So let's have a look at packages, source, and theme. I'm gonna say we would like yeah, it's quite big. It's incredibly big. Let's just take a squiz and see what we've got underlying our site, because I want to know. Yeah, so there's a P tag and about the things, and that man, that just has a massive top margin, top padding, whatever you want to call it. Let's have a look. Computed margin top. Look at that massive number. Where is that coming from? Chakra space 14. So that is something custom, right? I'm going to assume it is, at the risk of assuming and making an ass out of you and me. So let's go into our base style. Let's just go H2. What can we do in here, please? Tell us all the things. Though none of those are helpful. M T It's massive, right? Base 6. Medium 8. Is that how this thing works? Okay. Now let's just check if it's the base that changes it. No. So what happens if we change this one? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Is it our paragraph what's like funking up? Let's get rid of those two. That looks pretty good, right? So a paragraph Y6. Yeah, I mean that ain't bad. But I feel like margin bottom should be like real small. MB base 2 MD 4 at most. Oh yeah, that's better. What about our font size? Yeah, let's change our font size. The P tags as well. P. Man, I like how easy this is. Shh. Font size is none of those. SM. Okay. Oh yeah. I like this, but it feels too thick. But we'll probably change that later. I'm real happy. NGL. At most a border bottom. Let's open up article. Article. There we go. And then I know, what do we say? Like width, yeah, equals what? Full. Yeah, still happy. All right, and border bottom. Yes. Let's just have a quick look and see if they can show me borders. For borders. Bottom. Border bottom. Oh, okay. So can I just specify that? Is that what it's saying? I can I can just go, 1 pixel solid, like something like that. Is that what it's? Oh, wow. Okay. But what if I it's cool, but it's, yeah, whatever. All right. Anyway, it's 10 past midnight in the Aussie world. I think that's a pretty good thing for tonight. Let's go back to, let's close these fellas down for now. We're not going to commit, just not enough done. We've created the new repo. That's done. We installed Chakra and we set up React Remix. That's great. We've done some reading about Remix. We need to do more. That's okay. We started doing a task that we didn't set up, and that was create our own blog template. Then we need to grab blog content from Supabase database. Yeah, I think that's going to be okay for now. That's all I really need to get a personal blog site going. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm very happy with that. We'll have to think about making the entire site static, so content, so updates to. I'm going to put a little bit more of a comment in this one. Let's go into it. We need to think about how to make sure we don't need to run a server constantly and move towards functions, static content derived from DB changes, something CI CD. Cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'm happy with that. That's a good night. Well, thank you so much, good people, for joining. Thank you for lurking, for hanging, for whatever you've been doing. And yeah, I'm looking forward to having a good sleep, and probably no stream tomorrow night. Maybe one on the weekend, we'll see. And then we'll just keep going with it next week. All right, well, thanks for hanging, and I'll catch you soon.